Welcome to HeatSign's. Today, we are excited to introduce you to our specialized flange machine, Dot Peen Marking Machine, designed for impeccable markings on flanges. Our flange marking machine is crafted for high performance and reliability, featuring a unique rotating shaft that allows for precise marking around the outer ring of the flange. Assembly is straightforward. Let's take you through the process to get your machine ready for operation. Our software is tailored to enhance the machine's capabilities, providing a user-friendly interface for optimal marking control. Now, let's witness the machine in action. As you can see, our flange machine, Dot Peen Marking Machine, with its rotating shaft is the ultimate solution for your marking needs, offering both precision and flexibility for a variety of flange sizes.